Angisebenzi ngiyabhanda girl, angisebenzi ngiyabhanda girl. Yeah, ngiphethe umsebenzi ngaqasha girl, ngiphethe umsebenzi ngaqasha girl. This is price, new standard. Uzongifithe location nama vandal. Yeah, lapho amachera ngithandana, lapha nginayo payslip kodwa ngiphandana. Yeah, this is price, new standard. Uzongifithe location nama vandal.
Reporting live, Ngakini support chair holding it down city to city, titty to titty. And today I'm with a very motherfucking special guest. It's a player partner of mine, my nigga.
Yeah.
The man, the myth, the legend, your boy Zooh. Holding it down, Ngakini first. What's good, my nigga?
Showcase the grand, my nigga.
Man, so this motherfucker's coming to kick y'all niggas' ass. First, project that I'm cheating, bro.
Sure.
But for the people who don't know, let them know who the fuck Zooh is, where he's from, you know what I mean, and what this nigga do, Ngakini.
Phethe umlazi politician.
Face.
Phethe usikhothe nosemlazi.
Ngakini.
Chita teta uma deep.
So
you already know.
Yeah,
dog, yeah. Representing umlazi to the fullest, Phethe. Yes, now.
Sure, took our mouth. It's in dwelling hustle, dog.
Yeah, my nigga.
Fully and completely, dog. I'm dwelling, fine. Y'all niggas holding it down, fine. And I remember stressing you niggas. It was last year. I was like, oh, Phethe, go meet some guy shit.
Ngiyakhumbula Phethe ufike studio, dog.
Give me that go meet some guy shit.
Yeah, Phethe umsebenzi mningi, Phethe wena waziyo, dog.
No, but like, tell us what's going on first with regards to Imabid and, you know, Umlazi Trap Entertainment. What's going on, dog? I'm like what when no Sipomchi are doing, dog. It's fucking dope.
Sure. Yeah, Phethe, I think ngaqala la Phethe just to make it clear, Phethe. Umlazi Trap Playboy Entertainment, Phethe, it's a record label, Phethe. Yasemlazi, Phethe, fully independent, Phethe.
Sure.
Some hustlers, dog.
Ngakini.
Yes, now Ngakini siyahlupha kakhulu, yabo.
Sure.
So Phethe, Madiba Phethe was my second single, Phethe, of a project yami yokuqala, Umlazi Politician, and now yazi njengamanje Phethe, it's making a lot of noise, Phethe, yabo. Go DYR, yabo.
Nasekakasini. So hold, I think number 4 or 3 now. Yeah.
So number 3, man. This week, so yeah, I move up.
Forget it, okay.
So I move up. For umlazi, dog, you know.
Sure.
For umlazi, dog.
The right way.
Yeah, it's about time now.
With regards to this project, who did you work with, like production-wise and feature-wise?
Like Phethe, lento siqala Phethe, like Phethe sase back room nje Phethe. Mina noSipomchita Phethe, like singena like mic, singena like equipment nje Phethe, proper yokulontuza ukurecord noma yokwenza Phethe music Phethe, yabo. So sahlala phansi Phethe, sacabanga ukuthi Phethe yini eshodayo Phethe kwigame Phethe, yabo le nto. At that time, Phethe, I think it was 2016, yabo. At that time, Phethe, kwakusaduma trap kakhulu, Phethe. So we were like, yeah, Phethe, as a trap, Phethe, on, Phethe, but khona le element Phethe ngekho, Phethe, yabo. Like we must make it our own, yabo le nto. We must own it, Phethe, yabo le nto. So that's,
but clean.
Yeah, dog. Yeah. So that's when we started incorporating yabo even Phethe, we trap Phethe. And saqala Phethe senza Phethe lama beats la Phethe yabo up tempo Phethe.
Sure.
La ngekho nje Phethe normal Phethe yo club ban Phethe.
Yeah.
So umuntu Phethe ngisebenza naye kakhulu dog uyena noSipomchita.
Sure, holding it down. Sure.
With my life Phethe.
Sure. Sorry.
Okay, so yeah.
Yeah.
So Phethe uyena umjita Phethe ngisebenza naye kakhulu Phethe Sipomchita Phethe. Uyena umuntu engimthembayo Phethe with the production Phethe beat wise, like Phethe indlela ngimixa ngayo Phethe, like Phethe uyena engimnikeza.
And y'all niggas have some good chemistry.
Yeah, Phethe. Like when we first met Phethe, it's funny Phethe. It's funny Phethe ukuthi sasibizwe Phethe u Azim aka lo Mensa Musa Phethe wayefuna sisebenze when project yakhe Phethe yabo le nto sahlangana like 2015 kodwa before that sashootha i-video yami noBucks mfethu usikhotheni wasemlazi naye wayekhona lapho mfethu sathola nje mfethu ukwazana futhi nalapho mfethu kodwa saqala nje ukusebenza kahle ndawonye mfethu 2015
showcase to come.
Yeah.
Hey, first, and you know, if this shit is like going the way it's going, first, so hey, dog, it's fixing to be a hot summer.
yeah. You're on a plan, it's you're on a plan, it's flood, dog. It's flood as much as we can. It's on the cuts to corner, dog. Because I saw six of ninja of man. So in Japan, so Bani and Jaban to good music, while they still listening, Born if it's happy if yeah dog
and yabangena to like who helped you niggas with regards to like the visuals and nale strategy lesson hamba ngaso oni niseseleni na talk I'm like you know
like mfethu angifuni qama manje ngoba mfethu ngishilo mfethu ukuthi we are fully independent dog like everything dog go funding mfethu thina mfethu
sure.
Ama video ithina mfethu ama concepts ithina mfethu like si invested dog like 100% mfethu kuyona yonke lento mfethu siyazenzela nje mfethu into eziningi
mfethu
so mfethu amalontuza mfethu ama video amaningi mfethu besishuthela thina mfethu yabo like mase sithola mfethu
it's ever
yabo nje leyo mfethu imadiba mfethu ayishuthela thina mfethu and of course mfethu
inswebu
ulontuza mfethu slim from lo Sky Star mfethu yena umuntu wayelo editor mfethu so mfethu kuyasiza mfethu kusebenza nabantu abaningi mfethu because yabo egcinini uphuma iproduct eblind dog
ngiyavuma fani inswebu
showcase
how is the response been with regards to Mlazi politician talk I mean a president is my favorite shit ever shout out to my nigga Hydro's like able talk I'm sending the link and I'm sending them
shout out to Hydro
so
pethu like pethu abantu bayakhala pethu about the first track pethu lo impepho pethu like they like dog snapped on that one I'm like yeah pethu always representing once again uyazana pethu the fullest pethu and la track pethu it's personal dog because uyeza now mfethu yabo umama uzalwa uMandla mina ubaba uzalwa uMashembe yeza lonto so ngikufaka kwe family tree yami mfethu like get to know ukuthi ithini yabo
perfect intro man
yeah dog
dopest shit ever fan dopest shit ever reporting live again so boy holding it down titty I was my motherfucking player partner who's Zooh holding it down the right way. It's Mlazi trap play for how my shout out to okay Tom's all over.
Zapheli Tom's all like
I always stress all of about like the merch thing and like
every time.
How far are you with that shit?
Like if it's
because it's necessary.
Like if it's to tell the truth, if it's Mlazi politician, if it's like their project, if it's really caught me off guard
with regards with success
like if ethu ngisho nendlela bethu sasikhipha ngayo bethu because we science bethu we selected like 6 tracks out of like hundreds so bethu we were like okay since we locked down last year bethu since we locked down wonke umuntu bethu busy nathi bethu yabo keep something bethu so qala ngesingle and then Spotify bethu yabo sathi single yabo lonto move hip hop catch down kuleyo single efakwe igagasi uSolomon wathola spin we were like wow manje ndoda akusayona lento esithi siyayenza manje yabo lonto it's much bigger it's fanele focus so the next song must be bigger than the last one so there must be a rollout plan bethu leto bethu sasenza noSipho Mjida bethu leyo now wawusifica bethu sibhizi phezukwazo lezi zinto bethu like snoke eminyango bethu abantu bethu abanye bavula abanye bengavuli bethu but it's part of the game bethu we understand bethu bethu so idlala vele game bethu bethu abantu fanele bay understand le nto so idlala
and so far you're holding it down the right way
dog we are trying dog we're really trying dog because at the end of the day fanele umuntu amove as a company director at the other side futhi fanele ngimove as uZooh SA artist yabo lonto ngiyengifone nje like hello ngikhuluma noSpecial Ndlovu director wemlazi trap ngikhulumela uZooh artist la
fruit
ngizokwenza njani ngoba gcinena ngithi ngu director wayo mlazi trap yayeka lonto ngeke bangithathe serious mengithi ukhuluma noZooh lo WhatsApp usikhoseni yayeka lonto yabo gcinena fanele ngibe ka corporate Buye ngizoba ngala futhi kibe artist it's part of the game. It's
fully and completely fun.
Yeah.
So when can you expect the merch, nigga? Shit. Oh, but it's in terms of
yazi bethu angifuni
kama manga. Ama bikini mlazi trap.
Angifuni kama manga bethu like khathi kufika leligama lithi Zooh bethu. I roll out yayo yonke into bethu. It was crazy kuze kube imanje bethu. Sazoqhubeka dog. Yonke engiyithembisayo leyo. It's going to be even more crazy dog, more exciting dog. Like next single is coming. We're getting ready for the next single. Getting ready in the match bethu mhlambe nje bethu uthi ngibo in like 2 hours or an hour bethu ngiyolanda bethu first batch of the match bethu yeah we need to hustle yabo and futhi leyo batch le ngiyilanda sithengiwe yonke yabo leyo nto so just have to recoup ngibuye futhi by the way imatch elontuza Vandal bethu zoba I focus promoter I single yami lesishaya no Abdus lezayo bethu
nizile reporting live Ngakini so boy holding it down sitting with my nigga uZooh as the trap playboy CEO Ngakini my nigga let them know where they can highlight you with regards to like Facebook, Insta, Twitter. Where can they get the music? Is it available on online stores?
Sure. Regarding my page, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. You can check Zooh_SA. And for music, in ngena go Spotify, ngena go Apple, Deezer, yonke indawo, Zooh_SA. Mlazi politician. I'm down my dip. What a shit. Yeah, dog. Zama fethu ukuthi bayibone phela lifestyle dog. Bayibone mfethu.
You don't so slow anyway incanyana but you mean everything incanye voice like as open the safe part 3. It's everything incanye voice lemchita dog.
Sure dog. Sazobangena dog yami sazobangena mfethu like as a collective nje bafethu siumlazi mfethu sazobangena mfethu siningi nje mfethu strategy ngisafuna ukuyimplementa mfethu kama artist amaningi mfethu engiwabonayo emlazi mfethu ngisafuna mfethu sisizane sonke
niggas need that admin help
yeah dog fanele dog like baningi mfethu abantu engiwabonayo mfethu abane potential kodwa they
like the know-how of rollouts and all these things. Dog.
Leon to it's like, even like if it's ama artist amakhulu, if it's like sibukela kuona, pethu lawa international, pethu aspenda like, angazi malini if it's on a rollout, pethu okota already bona pethu batumila abantu. So when pethu ubani.
People only take you as seriously as you take yourself.
Yeah, dog. Invest in yourself. Pethu uzobonakala ekugcineni, pethu.
Ngakini.
He's off, dog.
Boy, I'm holding it down. Shout out to Deeply Rooted. Shout out to everybody doing amazing things. It's the event. Yeah, pull my face. I think the niggas are doing shows. Whole lot of shows going on. Summertime blast coming through. Stay pure. Available. Ngakini. It's your boy Zooh. Yes.
Showcase it,
Head up of water, my ducks in the row. Only one life and I'm living it though. Jay's 10, what's happening, bro? Regardless, stay patient, you know how I go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing in product, a boy on the road. I might just pull out.